Haruto, I have something to tell you. Please don't play fire. Because if we play fire, the house will burn and we have no house anymore. And we're going to sleep outside and it's cold and we will die.
No, 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 no. The house is not dangerous.
Dangerous fire.
No, it
Just
isn't.
promise me. Just promise me.
No fire, and no sleeping, and no die.
Okay, yeah. Just promise me not to play fire. Okay?
Okay.
Promise me, okay?
Okay.
Oh, promise must be fulfilled, ha?
Okay.
Promise is a promise.
Okay.
Very good. Dili mag-play of fire, ha?
Okay.
Because it's abunay.
Why?
Because it burns the fire, it burns the house.
Why? No, 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 no. No, 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 not fire, no, not house.
Okay, so don't play, okay?
Okay.
Oh, very good. Good boy, huh? It's very dangerous.
No, it's not dangerous.
You seen in the TV, you seen in the internet that the fire is that the house is burning. So the person or the people have no house anymore, and they play and they stay outside, and there's no house, and they feel so cold. So you should not play fire because it's dangerous.
Why? No, 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 no. It's no dangerous, and no sleeping, no dying, and no. It's just no house. Yes, house is back.
House is back, so don't play, ha?
Okay.
Never ever again, ha?
Okay.
Oh, so promise, mommy. Please, you promise me. Okay, very good, huh? You have to promise, okay? Fulfill it, huh? Oh, don't do it again, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good.